Good evening, everybody. Well, KV Yogi Vinodanand, lineage Devraha Baba. I'm an ex-serviceman, retired from Corps of Signals in 1991 January from Army Headquarters, Delhi. So, well, it's a message of mine, KV Yogi Vinodanand, lineage Devraha Baba, Indian Army. This video of mine may please be shared to the Chief of the Army Staff, to the Prime Minister. Well, our India had a chance to be in the caves in the Himalayan ranges when I had been to, Kashmir, beyond Tangdhar, Chokibal, Dumari Post and all. I hope I am not breaching the security. So I had a chance to learn the extremes of yogas in the jungles, Jabalpur, Narvade. So in army, it's a matter of regret that we are missing those techniques which I used to teach to the, some American people, Western people, the whole world in Bali, Indonesia. First, it's very simple as possible to cross the river or lake for the non-swimmers, especially here commandos. There is Plavni Kriya. You can call me. I'll teach you how to cross the river. I'm a non-swimmer. Plavni Kriya. It's a matter of regret that it's not being shared to the Indian Army. Second, how to remain minus 40 when I had been to the high altitude area with the pranayams, special techniques. How to remain breatharian without food for months together. So these are the kriyas, I am naming them. One is Khechari, Vajroli, Plavni, floating and headstand for us together. By the way, your brother 70, ex-Indian Army, I would like to approach this video of mine. May please be shared with the Chief of the Army Staff, defense personals. Join me. Pratyaksh ko praman nahi. I'll show you how to cross the rivers to the commandos. These are the simplest possible techniques which I had a chance to, again I tell you, in Bali to teach. Here you can join me in the yoga headstand, King Asana. So we have to share all these things to our commandos. To be precise, as I'm proud of the Indian Army, and your brother, by the way, is 70. I feel like crossing all the obstacles, and I was selected from Bangalore. 17th SSB board. So here you can join me. It's a mere demonstration, ask together headstand. Any yogi throughout the world can join me to share all these things to the Indian Army, police headquarters, even Chandigarh. They can communicate me. Here I go, KV Yogi Vrindanand. To learn all these kriyas, I would like to teach all this in your Tihar jail, then your commandos, police, army. Welcome, you can join me here, sector 19. It's evening time. See, I go for headstand just to demonstrate, to give my message, convey this message of mine to the whole, the high-ranking officers and, of course, the police headquarters. Here I go. Vaheguru. So. So, it was mere demonstration to convey my message. seats like this in headstand. After 1 hour of headstand, your stops, chattering of the mind automatically stops. This is called Kevali Kumbhaka. So again, it's my humble request to the my Chief of the Army Staff and Army Headquarters and the Police Headquarters commandos. We are missing these things. Plavani, I told you how to go Bridarian without food to stay for months together. This is what we need in the jungles when the situation comes, and the extremes of these situations, So this is headstand. I welcome throughout the world any yogi can join me here for headstand for us together with the machines, medical sciences, how to stop, how to slow down your heartbeat, your breath. So here, purpose, just to convey the message, join me throughout the world, all the yoga centers, India. I invite Kev Yogi Vinodanand lineage, Devraha Baba, soldier, Indian Army. Again, I repeat, retired 1991 January, your brother reaching 70 now. I welcome you to join me crossing all the obstacles of the Service Selection Board even today. I feel like joining Army, riding the Vision tanks. Of course, we have many new now. Thank you, all the best. I salute all the generals. Try to approach me and let's share this, what we have in India. Om Jai Mahakal. All the best. Thanks for watching.